The Burning Man Festival takes place every year in the Black Rock Desert in Nevada, USA. It is held at the end of August and lasts for 9 days. The festival is not like a normal music or art event. It is a temporary city built in the desert, where people create art, share ideas, and live together in a spirit of freedom and creativity. Money is not used inside the event. Everything is based on gifting and sharing. One of the most famous moments is the burning of the giant wooden statue called the Man, which gives the festival its name. Another highlight is the burning of the temple, where people leave messages, memories, and personal stories. More than 70,000 participants from all over the world come here, many wearing costumes, riding decorated bikes, and joining workshops or performances. Costs depend on tickets, which start at around $575, plus transport, camping gear, and food, which can raise the total budget to $1,500 to $3,000. To enjoy it, you need to prepare well. Bring water, sun protection, and be ready for desert dust storms.